Huh? What's up, everyone? I'm here with the boys. Bobby.
Nice to meet you, guys.
Jasmine up top. Jasmine, the high roller. Welcome back to another episode. We're here on the Gold Coast, and you might remember I filmed here when there was a house here, it got knocked down. High rise is getting built, and this is just a display unit for the high rise, and it's going to get knocked back down in about 2 years, and then they're going to build a tower. So just on the sheeting stage. Around here, wet areas, got the WR sheet, water shield. This is like the first square set job I filmed fixing. Before, always corners going up and say, oh, why's the big gap behind the corners? They think that we can't make it tight.
We can't make it, we should do that.
Yeah. And this board here, opal board.
Bro, did you cut the sheet? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Let's do it, eh? Okay. To here? I'm okay. Huh?
Let me just show you where we are. Sorry, mate. Here's where we are. And last time I was standing just over there and I was filming back at this old house, this old shack that got knocked down.
You take your treadmill if you want. Treadmill. Where are you going? We're going home now.
You can see, living right next to the beach, all this rust. So this house behind me is getting knocked down and they're going to build like a massive tower. Knockdown. And the house next door also getting knocked down. And we're going to get them to try out the new, well, it's not new. I'll pull this Dewalt cordless screw gun out and see what the boys think. They're all using Hiltis. Maybe there was one Makita in there. I got this Dewalt cordless screw gun. You can try it out. See how it goes. You used one before?
I saw that one, eh? I saw on Facebook.
Yeah, they gave it to me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'll try it, man. Fucking light, man, hey?
Yeah.
Really light. I had this quick.
It's smooth. Bit of a comparison.
It's really light.
Yeah. Is it?
Yeah.
It feels alright too. Like,
Look, light.
I got a Hilti too. Remember years ago, you're in my video
Oh, man.
with the Hilti.